We all love fair food because it's part of spring and summer fun. To celebrate the coming of spring this year, we're gonna make lovely, batter-fried, crispy, sweet, and delicious funnel cakes. To make the most delicious funnel cake batter, start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 16 grams of sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and 1 gram salt. Mix the dry ingredients using a whisk and crack a large size egg. Add 2/3 of a cup cold fresh milk, then whisk again. Just after wet and dry ingredients are combined, add a drop of vanilla extract. This is optional, but I always do it because I love vanilla, and I think it neutralizes the taste of egg and gives all desserts an amazing smell. If you don't like vanilla, you can use hazelnut extract or any other flavor you like. Now place the funnel cake batter in a beaker, which will make it easier for you to pour the batter into the funnel. In a saucepan, heat sunflower oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you can see, the oil I'm using today is just at 346 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for this recipe. The batter we made today will make us 3 beautiful funnel cakes. So close the funnel with your finger, then pour 1/3 of the batter into the funnel. Now remove your finger to let the batter flow through the funnel into the hot oil. Move your hand to make a random pattern and cover the full area of the pan. Watching the funnel cake cooking and expanding in the hot oil is very satisfying, and the smell is incredible too. Now give the funnel cake a couple of minutes until the bottom is fried to golden color. Then use a kitchen tongue and flip to fry the other side. Fry for another 2 minutes until golden and then remove. Drain and place on parchment paper to absorb any excess oil. Now repeat the same process again. Fill the funnel with 1/3 of the batter, let the batter flow and fry the first side for 2 minutes, then flip and fry the second side for another 2 minutes. Remove from the pan and drain on parchment paper. Repeat the same steps and cook the last third of the funnel cake batter, and you will end up in about 15 minutes with 3 delicious funnel cakes that are ready for receiving delicious toppings and decorating. Now to the fun part. I'm gonna show you today 3 of my favorite topping options for serving these delicious funnel cakes. Use a small size fine mesh strainer to add a layer of confectioner sugar on the funnel cake. Then add 2 scoops of your favorite ice cream. I usually use vanilla ice cream because it goes well with any kind of toppings. Now sprinkle some strawberries and drizzle some strawberry sauce on top of the ice cream and some parts of the funnel cake. I usually use a ready-made sauce from the grocery store because this recipe is all about fun and convenience. For the second funnel cake, dust with confectioner sugar. Place 2 scoops of ice cream in the middle, sprinkle some apple pieces, and finish with a drizzle of delicious caramel sauce. And for the third funnel cake, dust with confectioner sugar, place 2 scoops of ice cream in the middle, sprinkle some banana pieces, and finish with a drizzle of delicious chocolate sauce. Seriously guys, once frying the batter is done, your options for topping and decorating the funnel cake will be unlimited, and you can always create your own style funnel cake and try something new every time you make it. Try a different type of ice cream, fruit or sauce. Sprinkle some nuts, M&Ms, Oreos, whipping cream, maple syrup, honey, or melted chocolate. Anything you crave could go on the funnel cake and make it your own. Before I dig in, I made myself a cup of coffee because funnel cake and coffee go together very well, and coffee makes this dessert 10 times more exciting. This funnel cake is so delicious. I've just tasted a piece of the funnel cake and it's still warm. It's crispy from outside and chewy from inside, and the taste of the fried batter with the ice cream, fruit and sauce all together make me crave more and more and more of this amazing dessert. If you're into delicious and easy to make fair food, look no further than this incredible funnel cake recipe. I hope you like this episode. Please try this recipe and tell me your opinion in the comments below or on Food Basics Reinvented Facebook and Instagram pages. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appétit!